XRP was always the chosen banking coin. SEC vs. Ripple case rigged. What if I told you that XRP was always destined to be the banking coin, and the recent SEC versus Ripple case was just a staged drama? No, I am not kidding. Watch this whole video, as I will tell you everything about how Ripple emerged victorious in the lawsuit, how XRP was meant to be the banking coin, and what the future holds for this asset. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Ripple's legal victory. Okay, let's start with the recent legal victory. Ripple Labs won its case against the SEC, which accused them of selling unregistered securities. Ripple emerged victorious, while the SEC was left with a mere $125 million penalty. Interestingly, Ripple's victory has been framed as a bellwether for the entire cryptocurrency industry. It raises questions about how crypto will be regulated moving forward. If XRP can be classified as a non-security when sold on exchanges, could this set a precedent for other cryptocurrencies? In a recent interview, Monica Long, the president of Ripple Labs, expressed her excitement about the ruling, emphasizing that it validates the company's long-standing belief in the legitimacy of XRP. She said, "This decision is a big win for Ripple and the broader cryptocurrency community." Okay, so after the ruling, everyone is just looking at XRP. When will it surge? And I think it's no surprise. When a major legal cloud lifts, the market often responds positively. Staged legal proceedings. Allegations have also surfaced regarding Ripple's potential involvement in price manipulation. Court documents revealed that Ripple may have collaborated with a market maker to influence XRP's price during the early years. This has led to debates within the crypto community about whether Ripple was stabilizing the market or engaging in outright manipulation. I mean, if true, this would raise serious questions about the integrity of the XRP market. Interestingly, some believe that the whole lawsuit was rigged. Yes, the idea here is that much of what we see in legal battles, especially in the crypto space, is staged or manipulated. It raises another important question. Was the SEC's action part of a larger plan to regulate XRP as a legitimate banking crypto? Think about it, guys. The SEC has a history of targeting projects that threaten the traditional financial system. By putting Ripple in the spotlight, they might have been trying to establish a framework for regulating cryptocurrencies. This perspective implies that the SEC's actions weren't just about punishing Ripple, but rather about shaping the future of digital assets. XRP as a banking coin. Okay, let me get to the main point of today's video. XRP's intended role as a banking coin. Ripple was always designed from the ground up to facilitate fast, low-cost international transactions, making it an ideal candidate for banks and financial institutions. In a world where traditional banking can take days to process cross-border payments, XRP offers a quick solution. But there's a catch. XRP needed regulatory backing to be accepted in the traditional financial system. You can't just waltz into a bank and say, "Hey, I've got this shiny new crypto, let's use it." Nope, you need the stamp of approval from regulators. And that's where the SEC's involvement comes into play. The regulatory scrutiny surrounding XRP has been a double-edged sword. On one hand, it has created uncertainty. On the other, it has opened the door for legitimate conversations about how cryptocurrencies can fit into the banking ecosystem. The recent court ruling that classified XRP as a commodity when sold on public exchanges is a game changer in my opinion. It literally legitimizes XRP in the eyes of financial institutions, paving the way for potential partnerships with banks. According to a report by Ripple, using XRP for cross-border payments can reduce transaction costs by up to 60% compared to traditional methods. That's a huge figure, especially when you consider that banks often charge hefty fees for international transfers. If banks can save money and time by adopting XRP, it's a win-win situation right there. Why not use it? The SEC's ruling means that any entity looking to raise funds through institutional sales will now have to register with the SEC. This requirement could deter some projects from pursuing institutional funding, but it also means that those who do comply will be seen as more credible. I think XRP's legitimacy as a banking coin is becoming increasingly clear in the future. Market dynamics. While we're at it, we need to look at the market dynamics. XRP was once the second or third largest crypto by market cap. It had a massive following and was considered a frontrunner in the crypto space. But then came the SEC lawsuit, and its reputation took a hit. What's fascinating about XRP is its resilience. Despite the legal challenges and market fluctuations, it has managed to maintain a strong market presence. Right now, XRP boasts a market cap of approximately $30 billion, making it one of the top players in the crypto arena. The market dynamics of XRP are heavily influenced by external factors, including regulatory news and partnerships. For instance, every time Ripple announces a new partnership with a financial institution, you can almost hear the collective gasp of excitement from the XRP community. These partnerships are crucial because they validate XRP's utility as a banking coin. But here's where it gets a bit ironic. While XRP is touted as a solution for banks, it also faces skepticism from some investors who worry about its centralized nature. With Ripple Labs holding a big portion of the total supply, about 46 billion out of 100 billion pre-mined tokens, there's a lingering fear that Ripple could manipulate the market by flooding it with XRP. So yeah, pretty unique tension in the market dynamics. If we talk about liquidity, well, XRP has consistently ranked among the top crypto by market cap, which means it enjoys a high level of liquidity. This is essential for traders and investors who want to enter and exit positions without causing significant price swings. In fact, XRP's trading volume often exceeds $1 billion in a single day, showcasing its popularity and the trust investors place in it. Future of XRP. So what does the future hold for XRP? Well, I'm feeling optimistic. With the recent legal victory, XRP is poised for success. Experts are predicting that it will soon be integrated into banking systems, and its legitimacy is now more established than ever. Some forecasts suggest that XRP could reach between $5 to $10 by 2025 if current trends continue and Ripple successfully expands its partnerships with banks and financial institutions. One of the most compelling reasons for optimism is the growing interest in CBDCs. Many countries are exploring or even piloting their own digital currencies, and XRP's technology could serve as the backbone for these initiatives. With regulatory clarity, larger financial institutions may feel more comfortable integrating XRP into their operations, which of course will lead XRP to increased demand and a rise in price. However, I think you guys should approach this with a healthy dose of realism. The crypto market is notoriously volatile, and while the future looks promising for XRP, it's crucial to remain cautious. If you're really serious, you should keep an eye on market trends, regulatory developments, and Ripple's ability to execute its vision. Community sentiment and implications for the crypto market. Before I wrap up today's video, let's talk about the XRP Army. This passionate group has been a driving force behind Ripple's resilience, demonstrating solid support even in the face of legal challenges and market volatility. The XRP Army is not just a group of investors anymore. They're a community united by a shared belief in the potential of XRP. They've taken to social media, forums, and even protests to voice their support for Ripple and advocate for clearer regulations in the crypto space. Well, obviously this grassroots movement has played a big role in shaping public perception and building momentum for XRP's future. But what does this community sentiment mean for the broader crypto market? As I said earlier in today's video, the conclusion of the SEC case and Ripple's subsequent victory have been framed as pivotal moments for the entire crypto ecosystem. If XRP can successfully navigate the regulatory landscape, it could set a precedent for other cryptos, encouraging regulators to adopt a more favorable stance toward digital assets. This shift in sentiment could lead to increased adoption of cryptocurrencies across various sectors, from finance to retail. Imagine a world where crypto is accepted as a legitimate form of payment, and businesses are eager to integrate it into their operations. That's the kind of future the XRP Army envisions, and it's becoming increasingly plausible. As we look ahead, the potential for XRP to redefine the banking landscape is more tangible than ever. With the right moves, I think Ripple could solidify its position as a leader in the crypto space, paving the way for a future where digital assets play a central role in our financial systems. And that's a wrap. So what are your thoughts on XRP's future? Do you believe it can truly become the banking coin of choice? Or do you have concerns about its centralized nature? Share your opinions in comments below. Before you go, don't forget to check out our recent video on how much XRP do you need to join the elite 1%. You will never guess the number. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.